Hello and welcome. In this how to draw video, we are going to be drawing George Pig, which is Peppa Pig's little brother.
Not George Pig, George the Pig.
Oh, George the Pig. Okay, George the Pig, or George Pig, or Georgie Pig. He's called by many names, I guess.
What about Piggy?
Yep. Alright, so we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. But before we get started, we're going to need a few drawing supplies.
Markers.
We're going to need a marker or something to draw with. Paper to draw on. Yeah.
And you're going to use anything.
Yeah, so to colour in, you can use markers.
Paint. Crayons, pencils, oil pastels.
Yeah.
That's all
sorts of stuff. Alright, so you ready to go? Okay, let's go. Alrighty, so we've got a piece of paper here and we're going to draw George Pig here, and I think we'll make him holding a soccer ball. Yeah. Alright, so to start off with, now George Pig is lots of basic shapes with lots of circles, so it's nice and easy to draw. So we're going to start off with his nose. So we do a big oval like this.
It's kind of like an O, but it's like so stretched out.
Yeah, yeah. And then in the middle, you've got his nostrils. I'm going to draw another 2 circles there as well. There we go. Yeah, you better get a different marker. That one took us run out. Very good. I'm going to draw the rest of his head. Now it's kind of an oval shape, but it's got a little bit sticking out, just like with
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig. So we go around like this. There we go, around. We're just going to stop here. We're going to leave a little gap. Very good. Yep. And we're just going to join that end there up to his nose. So a little line like that. Yep, cool.
Now it's time for his eyes.
Okay, yeah, let's do his eyes. So we're going to do 2 circles here. And like this.
1 circle inside.
And then, yeah, and then a smaller circle inside for his eye. Or his pupil. There we go. Very good. Good job. Alright, the next thing we're going to draw is his ears. So there's 2 little bumps that look like upside down U's.
Kind of a V.
Oh yeah, more like a U on top of his head. Great, and then with George Pig, I also noticed that he's always happy and smiling, so we're going to give him a nice big smile down here. Yep, and
a big circle.
A big circle here, so he's got rosy cheeks, so you can colour those in a little bit later. Great, wonderful. Okay, and so next thing we're going to draw is his body. So it's 1 big circle. We're going to start here, and some of the circles are actually going to be behind his head. So we'll go down like this.
But we don't really put a marker down.
Yeah, that's right. Alright, there we go.
Kind of.
Here's his body. Wonderful. And now we're going to draw his little piggy tail. So the piggy tails are all curled up, so we're going to draw a little line and go loop de loop like that. Okay, and then we draw his feet. Oh, his legs first, so 2 little lines in the bottom there. And then draw his feet. They're like a bit of an oval shape there. And another one there. It looks like a grain of rice.
What about kind of a raisin?
Or raisin, yeah, something like that. Now you can colour these in differently. I'm just going to colour these in black. But you can colour them in a different colour if you like. Okay, so that's George Pig done. Now we're going to draw him holding a soccer ball, because I think that's his second favourite thing after Mr Dinosaur. So we're going to draw another big circle here. And then once we've done that circle, we're going to draw some hands holding the ball.
if he doesn't have hands, how will he play soccer?
Yeah, I'll draw those shortly. We'll draw the big round ball first. Great, and then we're going to draw one arm.
Dots?
Yeah, we'll draw the hands first. So draw one line going across here from his body to the ball, and then I'm going to do 2 little lines like that for his fingers.
Now it's time to do the other hand.
And then the other hand is behind it, but we're only going to draw one little line. We're going to stop at the ball because it's behind us here. You can't see it. And then all we need to do is, because it's a soccer ball, it's normally got different coloured
dots,
circles or shapes on it. We're going to draw a few around here, and I'll draw another one on the other side. Okay, so there we go. We've drawn our Peppa Pig. No, not Peppa Pig. George Pig. I keep thinking of Peppa Pig. Holding his one of his favourite toys, a soccer ball. And I guess the next thing to do is to colour. Yeah, colour it in. So we're going to fast forward this part, and we'll be back very soon. All right, and we're back. So we've finished colouring in, and I think they look really wonderful. I've added some shading on my George Pig, and I can see your soccer ball is really cool. You made like a rainbow colour, all different coloured spots, so it's really awesome. Thanks for following, and look, we hope you had lots of fun, and make sure you check out our other Peppa Pig videos, but we'll hope to see you again soon.
That looks like Daddy Pig did, you know?
Yes, but a lot smaller. Yeah.
Yeah, and here.
He's got glasses, that's right. Alrighty, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.